Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm your Android is running Android 11 or newer, and install a modern browser like Chrome. Ask the iPhone or Mac contact to open FaceTime and tap Create Link. Once done, they should send that link to you via text or chat. You'll receive a web URL. Make sure to copy it into your Android browser. This is the only supported path because FaceTime on Android works through a hosted web session started by an Apple device. Once you open the link in Chrome or Edge, the browser will request permission for camera and microphone, grant both so audio and video work. Enter a clear display name. This helps the host identify you. You'll see a preview, adjust camera angle and mic sensitivity if needed, then tap Join. You are placed in a waiting lobby. The iPhone or Mac host must admit you. This web session streams the FaceTime call to your browser, so a stable Wi-Fi or strong cellular connection matters for quality. To complete the call, stay in the Browser tab and use on-screen controls to mute, switch cameras, or leave. If video or audio does not appear, reload the page and regrant camera/mic permissions. Otherwise, try a different supported browser. If you experience lag, close heavy apps and prefer a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or move closer to the router. And if nothing works, confirm the host actually created and shared a FaceTime link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.